So our goal as a company is to be able to kind of build fully automatic kitchens, where so that let's say we spend more time in the living room and other rooms in the house rather than spending a lot of time in the kitchen.
Right.
On average, people spend approximately if you're cooking once, you're spending 30 to 40 minutes. If you're cooking three times
Yeah.
a day, then
Yeah.
it kind of goes up to 2 hours.
Right.
Our goal is
Right.
to make sure that you only
Right.
spend 10 15 minutes in the kitchen,
Right.
and the rest of the time you're using to something, do things that you love.
Right.
And on this journey, so we have built a couple of solutions. One is for people who want to cook,
Mm.
but they just are afraid to kind of take that step.
Mm.
And there's one for people who just don't have the time and they
Mm.
want to have a solution that can cook food at their home. And one we call it Semi, which is it's much more like a cooking GPS. So like
Mm.
how you have your car's GPS navigating you, take left, take right, there's traffic ahead of you. Similar to that, what we have built is a cooking GPS,
Mm.
which is kind of a guide in your entire cooking journey. Let's say
Mm.
the most important question that you have during a cooking journey are like what to add,
Mm.
let's say when to add, how much to add,
Mm.
what temperature should I keep it at, and for how long.
Mm.
So we have built a solution which kind of, let's say, like for example, you're driving and you're watching your navigator. Similar to that, what I built is like a cooktop with a built-in display, which kind of gives you the same instructions step by step. It's not just giving instructions, but all controlling the temperature for you. So
Mm.
you can just forget about the knob. So you don't have to worry about, am I going to burn this dish down? So we
Yeah.
also have a built-in weighing scale for the device, where it can tell you how much to add. Let's say, are you
Mm.
adding right amount or not?
Mm.
And we also have another solution, which is Riku, which is a fully automatic rice and curry maker. It gives you a load and walk away solution. You can just load everything on top, press a button, walk away. As simple as that. You can cook
Right.
any one pot dish in fully automatic mode. Let's say, for example, your palak paneer.